Error code 8001 in Arc Raiders indicated data corruption, preventing the game from launching or causing crashes. This was primarily due to corrupted game files, incomplete downloads, or conflicts with Ubisoft Connect. Key causes included file corruption during downloads, conflicts with antivirus software, and Ubisoft Connect bugs. Players typically encountered a data corrupted message, prompting reinstallation. The error prevented the game from launching or caused crashes. Troubleshooting during the active period involved verifying game files through Ubisoft Connect or reinstalling the game. While the game is now discontinued, understanding this error provides insight into data integrity issues in live service games. Since Arc Raiders servers were shut down on May 14, 2024, error code 8001 is no longer fixable through official means. Attempting to launch the game now results in connectivity errors with Ubisoft Connect. While fixes existed pre-shutdown, such as file verification, these are now obsolete. The discontinuation highlights trends in Ubisoft's game support, particularly for free-to-play titles. Arc Raiders' struggles with error 8001 underscore the importance of robust QA and user support. The prevalence of this error contributed to player abandonment and the game's eventual shutdown. Moving forward, the industry is exploring AI-driven diagnostics and cloud-based integrity checks to mitigate data corruption issues, emphasizing stability over rapid releases. Key lessons: robust QA prevents data corruption, strong user support retains players, and stability trumps rapid releases.